In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Weebly by phone. Whether you're experiencing technical difficulties or have questions about your website, reaching out directly to Weebly's support team can help resolve issues efficiently. Let's walk through the necessary steps to ensure you can easily get in touch with them. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly's official website. Simply type Weebly into your search engine and you'll see their homepage, which should be labeled as Free Website Builder, Build a Free Website or Online Store. Click on this link to proceed to their site. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on this button to continue. You will then be directed to the login page where you'll see various options for signing in. For this guide, we'll focus on logging in with Square, which is now integrated with Weebly. Click on Login with Square. If you're already logged into Square, this step will seamlessly connect you, otherwise you might need to enter your Square account credentials. Take a moment to ensure that these are correctly entered so that you can proceed without any hitches. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Weebly dashboard. This area is where you manage all the aspects of your website. Here, locate and click on Overview, a section that gives you a quick glance at your site's performance, different access options, and more. After familiarizing yourself with the Overview section, it's important to find the Support button. This is where you'll find assistance for any issues or queries you might encounter. Click on Support and it will guide you to Weebly's support section. This area is tailored to assist with frequently asked questions, providing articles and resources that cover a wide array of topics. However, for direct phone support, you'll need to advance to the next step. Within the support section, look for the Weebly Support or Contact Us link. Clicking here will lead you to the final step in our journey. This page usually contains all available methods to reach Weebly's customer service, including phone numbers. By following these steps, you now know how to navigate the Weebly website and locate the exact pathway to get phone support. This direct contact can be especially helpful for personalized assistance and resolving any intricate issues you might face. Remember, being clear and concise about your query when you call will enable the support team to help you more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made contacting Weebly by phone a straightforward process.